Hey guys, it's Ikra and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys my everyday makeup tutorial, and you know, we talk about life, we have a good time, we spill some tea, we expose me.
Not really, but you know, I tried to expose me. I'm too boring to expose.
If you guys enjoy this video and if you want to stay tuned for future videos, which I promise are coming, and they're going to be the next video, I think you guys are really going to like. No. I literally stated that video in this video, so if you want to know what that video is and if you want to stay tuned, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, to subscribe to my channel, and keep on watching because it's gonna be. So I like to start off with prepping my skin with the Longwear lip balm. This shit is like $15 and I lost it. And then I had to buy a new one. I prime my skin with the Hourglass Veil Mineral Primer, which I think I've used so much on my channel, but I privated all those videos, so you can't even see it, even if you wanted to. So what I like to do is take this on the back of my hand. Okay, this isn't a tutorial, so I'm just gonna like not walk you through the steps but kind of show you guys what I do. So because this video's not a tutorial, I thought I'd do like a Q&A, get to know me type of ordeal. But the thing is, no one wants to ask me questions. I get it, I'm very boring. So I thought I would ask myself questions. I know how that sounds. That sounds like really stupid, like
you're gonna ask yourself questions? Like, what don't you know about yourself?
A lot. I don't know a lot about myself and I'm still trying to get to know me. So today, I'm gonna be spilling some tea on myself. If you're wondering why is there a random plant in the back, I thought it would give it dimension, honestly, in the background, but honestly, I'm no landscapist, so it kind of looks stupid. So to start off, I'm a Virgo. I was born in Bangladesh. I feel like I said this all in my previous video, like my everyday makeup tutorial and get to know me, but you know what? I'm privating that video so no one could ever tell me that I said it. I have a hard time concentrating on like one thing. Mom, if you're watching this, you probably know this because you tell this to everyone. I graduated college this year in 2019. Hey, look, it's starting to get sunny again. It was really sunny before I started filming this video, and then as soon as I sat down, it was all cloudy and gloomy. I took it very personally, honestly, like the weather hates me. Sorry, I got distracted again. Oh yeah, so I graduated college this year. I was a business major. Honestly, no, I'm not gonna tell you guys all my life story, that's too much. And we spill some tea. Let's see what else. I do have a job. Next, I'm gonna go in with some translucent powder. I don't like to bake, but here I am baking, and I kind of do this every day now. Like even when I'm going to work, I bake. Now that your face looks like it's concealed and like you just came out of the womb, we're gonna bronze it up. And I got this Marc Jacobs bronzer. Here's some tea, okay? So I ordered this online at Sephora. I open up the package and then I'm taking it out and it's like, you know, that angelic moment, like the angels are singing, I'm singing. Okay, I'm not singing, but. And the mirror is shattered. I mean, like, this big ass mirror is completely shattered, like in freaking pieces. Like it's gone. And I'm like, and my thing is like, so I take it back and I go to Sephora and I demand an exchange. And they give it to me. Okay, I didn't really demand an exchange. They were really nice over there. This is not me exposing Sephora, but it kind of is. If someone's gonna comment like, why didn't you pin your hair back or just, you know, put it back? Because look at this. All right, ready? Look at this. Let's talk about 2019. 2019 has been a shitty year, to say the least. I'm sure everyone goes through different things. Like, you know when you have like bad days? I'm gonna be right back. Hold up. Everyone has bad days, but I've never experienced like consecutive bad weeks, bad days. Like, it was just so bad. I mean, I don't even want to talk about it. Like, that's how bad it was. And we spilled some tea. What was so bad about it? What wasn't so bad about it? Everyone, you know, like everyone experiences like different things, and some things are worse than others. In my personal experience, it was just I for one am actually very excited for 2020 and like the whole new decade. Even though I kind of grew up and had a lot of accomplishments in this decade, I am so ready for 2020, the 20s, not the 10s or the 0. Can't do math. Nothing's changed since my last video. It was one of my really good friend's birthday. The night before I was trying to do my hair, I got like one of these those round brushes that people like blow dry their hairs on. And mind you, it was like 1-2 a.m. so no one's like awake, everyone's asleep. It's literally just me and my dumb trying these things at like 2 a.m. because yeah, I do exactly what the video tells me to do, right? Like, I take the brush and I wrap it around. I have my blow dryer in my other hand. And you know what? The brush gets stuck in my hair. I mean, like, full on, like, completely tangled. Like, there's no way to take it out. And I'm like, and the brush is like, and the whole house is like, shh. Because it's like 2 a.m. Oh, you know, there's no one awake. I can't call someone. My mom's sleeping. She can't do anything. And I don't want to like wake her up and have her yell at me for being an idiot at 2 a.m. Try to calm myself down. And after some tugging and struggling and blood, sweat, and tears, I finally get it out, okay? But is this story complete? No, obviously not. I went ahead and tried again, and this time I wet my hair, and my god, you would not believe, it got stuck, obviously, but it was like 10 times worse than before. It was like stuck. I couldn't budge it. Like, I tried everything I tried before when I got it out, and I'm just like, why would I do this again? Like, what? There was only one thing at that point left to do, and that was to cut the bristles off, which eventually led to me cutting my hair off that was stuck there. I bought this brush that same day, and it was $20 at Ulta. Whatever the hell I was thinking, it was a dumb thought. And I really wanted to just sue Ulta and return that brush, but I couldn't because I had to cut the bristles off. That resulted me to cutting some pieces of hair off from this side. Okay, let's continue. I have to stop cursing. It's something I'm trying to work on. I'm actually really not. Oh, it's getting sunny again. Okay, I'm also gonna be trying to post on YouTube more frequently. I can't do my liner and talk, so I shall be back. Okay, I kind of just put the wings on. Wings really piss me off, but I still do it, so I obviously have a problem. And that's it. I also like to take a darker one and just outline my eyes a little. Okay, I messed up a little there. When I mess up, I like to take shadow and just go over it. The easiest hack you'll ever learn in makeup. If you ever mess up and there's like a little bump in your eyeliner like that. Moving forward, I literally have like no questions to ask myself, which I knew was gonna happen. But here we still are. A chit chat get ready with me is much better than a one. Imagine if I just like made this whole video a voiceover. I'm not gonna say I'm OCD because I'm really not, but I am a perfectionist, and I like certain things to be done in a certain way where it's kind of like annoying, because if things aren't up to my expectations, it's like done for. It's like over. I've always used the same mascara, and recently I got this one. So tea on this video that I did film, and I think I'm probably not gonna post it only because I hated the lighting of the video and the angling of the video, and I literally stopped talking to do my eyes. I want to redo that video, and that video is not really like a first impressions or anything. I bought a bunch of Kylie cosmetics, and I bought a bunch of KKW Beauty products, and I was just gonna do like a side-by-side comparison of the two. If you ever want to buy anything from their brands, you could just see my video. But I hated the lighting of it, and I hated the angling of it, and I felt like I was too like awkward and kind of annoying. I don't want to post anything that I'm not proud of. And in 2020, I really do. Man, I cannot finish a single sentence while doing my eyes. That's a problem. I do like putting a lot of mascara on, if you guys haven't noticed. I'm mascara freak. Okay, so in 2020 I do want to post more on my channel, only because I truly enjoy— oh, I got something in my eye. It's okay, I'm fine. Okay, so in 2020 I want to post more on my channel, only because I love makeup and I love like beauty tips and lifestyle, you know, all that stuff, all that good stuff. I don't know why I did a thumbs up. That was kind of annoying. I know for a fact that my channel won't just be like makeup. It will be expanding. Maybe in the future I'll do vlogs if I'm not too annoying, and I'll do like beauty tips. I know it's not just gonna be like makeup tutorials on this channel, because I get bored sometimes of doing like the same things. I like to switch it up. So as I grow, obviously my content will grow. But yeah, as I grow, my content will also grow, and I like being creative, and I can't do something where I'm not completely creative all the time, which I think a lot of people are like that also. I like showing creativity. I personally like, oh my god, I look like a fucking clown. Gotta blend that out. I personally like editing my videos, and I like doing like funny edits, and what I like about makeup is that I like that you could do cool makeup looks, and that, you know, you could really express yourself like that. And the field that I majored in is also kind of like think outside the box, be creative as much as you can be. It's a very it's challenging, but it's also very creative. I like to think of this as like my creative outlet, and everything that I do I like to put 100% into, and I hate like half-assing things, because that's just like not who I am. Actually, I BS my way through so many things. Like, if you know me, like, you know. Weird. Okay, I got the Fenty Beauty highlighting brush, and it's still like in its package, and I'm so excited. I usually use like elf brushes or like Morphe brushes or like whatever, but I saw this brush when Rihanna came out with it like in 2017. Oh my god. And from then I really wanted it, but I was like, it's just a brush. You could put your highlighter on with your hands. And so I did. Finally I caved and I got myself because I'm using Rihanna's brush. I thought it was only appropriate that I use her highlight, and this is her highlight in Made Money and Hustla, baby. So I guess this is how you do it. Ready? You take the brush, take the highlight, and then you just slowly but surely just dip it in there. I'm kidding, don't do that much. Tap it off, because we're booty gurus on this channel. Then you're going to, just kidding, just before you do that, you take your Kylie Jenner setting spray, because, you know, not sponsored by her either. And then just, oh shoot. Okay, and then we're gonna take Kylie's Kybrow, and I could have done this like steps ago. I feel like the end of this video is like sponsored by Kylie and Kim, but I wish. Kylie, if you're watching this, I'd be a great Jordan. Just saying. Next, for my lips, wouldn't you know it, I'm using Kylie Cosmetics lip liner and Kylie Cosmetics, what is this called again? Liquid lipstick. Oh my god, I'm stupid. Well guys, this is final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a huge thumbs up if you want to see more, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to seize the day. Carpe diem, bitch.